In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the audio bug in Atomfall, where sound cuts out on Xbox, Xcloud, and PC. This issue can be annoying, especially when you're trying to fully immerse yourself in the game. But don't worry, we've got some quick fixes to resolve this problem. First, check your audio settings. Make sure your sound output is properly configured. On Xbox, go to Settings and then click Display and Sound. Then go to Audio Output and choose the correct audio format, like stereo uncompressed. On PC, check your system sound settings to ensure Atomfall is using the correct playback device, like speakers or headphones. Next, try restarting the game and the platform you're playing on. This simple step can often resolve minor audio glitches. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, switch to a wired connection, as Bluetooth can sometimes cause audio dropouts due to latency. On Xcloud, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast. Poor connection speeds can lead to audio cuts and other gameplay issues. Also, make sure the game and your platform, Xbox or PC, have the latest updates installed. Updates often include bug fixes that could address audio issues. Lastly, if the sound still cuts out, try lowering the game's audio settings in the options menu. Reducing the volume or turning off certain sound effects can help stabilize the audio. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.